Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to transform any photo into a captivating sketch. First, open your chosen image in Photoshop. Then, duplicate your background layer by pressing Ctrl or Command-J. This keeps your original photo safe. Next, desaturate this new layer to remove all color, making it black and white. Duplicate this desaturated layer one more time, preparing it for the next crucial steps. Now, select your topmost layer and invert its colors. You can do this by pressing Ctrl or Command-I. This action will turn your image into a photographic negative. Immediately after, change the blend mode of this inverted layer to Color Dodge. Don't be alarmed when your canvas appears completely white. This is exactly what we want to see before applying our next filter. With the Color Dodge layer still selected, navigate to the Filter menu, then Blur, and choose Gaussian Blur. This is where the magic happens. Slowly increase the radius slider. As you do, you will see the sketch lines begin to emerge from the white canvas. Experiment with the radius. A setting between 5 and 10 pixels usually yields excellent results, but adjust to your photo. To fine-tune your sketch, add a Levels or Curves adjustment layer above all others. Use this to enhance the contrast and adjust the midtones, making your sketch lines darker or lighter as desired. You can also add a subtle texture layer for a more authentic feel. Finally, group all your sketch-related layers together for easy organization and future adjustments. Experiment and have fun creating unique art.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.